Timer starts now.
Earth is the most important to us because this is our home. We're a place that we can do something that can help us. For an example, nature is the most important thing to us because this is the thing that we need.
All right. For Mr. Valencia, your topic is all about
Favorite food.
timer starts now.
I don't really have a favorite food, but food is what eating with others is my favorite one. So the more you're comfortable with people around you when you're eating, the more the food is more delicious and more exciting to you. And it is more communicable with others. And eating alone doesn't, even it's so delicious, eating alone doesn't excite me.
Alright, sige. How about Mr. Amargo? Your topic is
Being a teenager.
timer starts now.
Being a teenager for me is so hard because some people might say you're just a kid, you can fight for yourself. And for me, being a teenager is you need to be strong because in this society we need someone to support with. Just like your mother and father, you need to be supported by them because they can shape you for who you are and they can teach you to do some.
Alright. For Mr. Pura, your topic is Ma'am Karen Rose Odi. Timer starts now.
Ma'am Karen is a teacher who teaches in Rizal National High School. She's good at playing Luksong Lubid. She helps her student to study in her subject. And she's pretty and she's a joyful teacher.
Alright. For Sato, your topic is school canteen. Timer starts now.
School canteen. So school canteen is always open. So every day from Monday to Friday, and you can go to school canteen anytime. So you can buy food like beverages, snacks, or desserts and more. So school canteen is very essential for this school because some students doesn't have any lunch because students has only money to buy foods and.
Alright. For De Los Reyes, your topic is the DepEd or the Department of Education. Timer starts now.
Department of Education is connected to every school, just like Matutang Ilog, and here also in Rizal National High School. DepEd provides the budget that every school needs to teach students, and DepEd also helps students to study to learn.
Alright. Last mo na yun. Good ka na. Good ka na. Tama na. Timer starts now. Ay, wala ka ba? Your topic is all about anything from UMS. Timer starts now.
UMS is all students in UMS focus in public speaking and philosophy and to end the social sciences and also
Okay.